Some injuries heal with time, but others, like spinal injuries, brain damage, severe fractures or multiple fractures, especially like in your femurs or your arms, can be permanent. The reason that that's critical in a personal injury case is that it really can up the need for you to have an attorney. And you might ask, well, why do I need an attorney if my injury is permanent? Well, because insurance companies, especially if there's a lot of money on the line, are going to fight a lot harder not to pay you. Because nobody wants to write a check for hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. And so having a good attorney that's experienced in permanent injury case can be really helpful. And the reason that you need an attorney for these kinds of cases is because usually we have to employ medical experts, okay? Sometimes we can use treating physicians, but a lot of times treating physicians don't want to go to court. They don't want to sit on the stand. They don't want to get grilled by other lawyers. That's not their thing. They just want to do their job in the medical world. So a lot of times we have to get experts that are comfortable with going to court and testifying, who can say, these are the injuries that you have, and this is why it's going to affect your life for the rest of your life. And so it's really valuable to have an experienced attorney in permanent injury cases. So one of the things that we want to be able to show as your lawyers is that you have that your whole life is going to change for the rest of your life. And a permanent injury does that. It affects your ability to be a parent. Can you lift your kids? Can you play with your kids? Can you do the things that you used to be able to do as a mom or a dad? Can you work? A lot of times in permanent injury cases, the person who's injured can't work anymore. And so one of the things that involves is getting an economic expert to come in and say, this client lost their ability to work, and based on tax returns or pay stubs or a combination of both, this is how much lost earning capacity this person has. So like I've already said, a permanent injury can change your life for the rest of your life, and having a good attorney to show why that is really important. We'd love to help you. If you have a permanent injury, please call us. The call is free, the consultation is free, and we don't get paid unless we get you a settlement.